Welcome back. Today I am going to share with you the Vox box that I got. Basically, Vox box sends me for free items to test for marketers, and I let them know what I think, how I like the items. So let's see what they sent me today. Whoa. So, wow. Vox box sent me some cranberry gummies. 500 milligrams, clinically studied for healthy urinary tract function. Who doesn't want healthy urinary tract function? It's one of the #1 herbal supplement brands, and let me see what it says here. At Nature's Bounty, we're committed to your health. For 50 years, we've been making trusted products backed by science and made with only the purest ingredients, guaranteed so you can get the most out of your everyday life. Well, let's check it out. They're raspberry cranberry. Generally, I don't like sour things, so I'll let you know how this tastes. Let me check out and see how many I'm supposed to take. For adults, chew 5 gummies daily, preferably with a meal. 5 gummies. Well, I love gummies, so this should be easy. Tastes good. 2. This feels like a candy. 3. I dig it. 4. Good stuff. Last one. Gotta cherish it. Well, Nature's Bounty definitely knocked it out of the park with the flavor. It's delicious. I don't have any trouble eating 5 a day. Thank you, Influenster, for sending this to me to try. I love it. As for how it is working for my urinary health, I don't think I have a urinary tract infection, but I'm always down to prevent them. So I think this is excellent for preventing urinary tract infections. It's delicious and easy to use. Basic ingredients are corn syrup, sugar, gelatin, citric acid, some pectin, vegetable oil, 500 milligrams of Pacran. It's pretty straightforward. Cranberry, raspberry flavored gummies. As a dietary supplement, no problem. I would definitely recommend the Nature's Bounty Cranberry Gummies. Thanks for sending it to me to test. All right, see ya.